Freisinn. Translated from German as Free Spirit or Free Mind, is a poem written by Johann Wolfgang von Goethe in 1815. It was first published in West-Eastern Divan in 1819. In Christian Worm and Heinrich Wiehoff's commentary on Goethe's works, one discovers that the first verse is inspired by the dictum of a free-spirited Gulgai Highlander, also known as Ingush, who by the account of Moritz von Engelhardt during his travels to the mountainous country of the Gulgai in 1811, rejected an offer to gain benefits under the condition of submitting to the rule of the Russian Tsar, with a short phrase, "Above my hat are only the stars." The following excerpt was published in the Neue Speyerer Zeitung on 11 July 1820. A free Ingush in the Caucasus who was told of the benefits he could receive if he submitted to the rule of the Russian Tsar. Encouraged by his independence, proudly, boldly, and truly replied, "How can I accept this? Above my hat, I see nothing but a blue, starry sky." Neither Pope Gregory VII at Canossa nor the Emperor Napoleon at Jena could speak so surely. Although their hats are bigger than that of the Ingush, but their hearts not likely. Inspired by the words of this free-spirited Ingush man, Goethe composes the following verse.
Lasst mich nur auf meinem Sattel gelten, bleibt in euren Hütten, euren Zelten, und ich reite froh in alle Ferne. Über meiner Mütze nur die Sterne.
The second verse of the poem is related to Joseph von Hammer's work and derives from the 6th chapter of the Holy Quran, Surah Al-An'am, verse 97.
It is He who has set up for you the stars, so that you might be guided by them in the midst of the darkness of land and sea. We have made the signs clear for people who want to understand.
وهو الذي جعل لكم النجوم لتهتدوا بها في ظلمات البر والبحر قد فصلنا الآيات لقوم يعلمون